Hello everyone and welcome to my video about project cost management with project 2013. In this video we will check the documents needed for cost control, how to link the WBS with purchase orders and invoices, how to enter a contractor in the project plan, how to display cost by contractor, how to enter the purchase order number in the project plan, and finally how to display cost by purchase order. So here we have the list of the documents. Everything starts on the business case. The business analyst will create the business case based on the business needs and the stakeholders' requirements. Then the project manager will create the project charter, and he or she together with the team will create the project management plan. Within the project management plan, we have the time management plan and the WBS. The WBS is the list of the activities that are needed to complete the project work. The project manager has the decision if he will require external contractors to perform some activities due to they may have more expertise because they have worked on those type of work before. So the project manager can get some feedback from them regarding the activity duration, for example. Then the project manager will create a purchase order for the contractors as the formal document so they can start the work. And during the project execution, the project coordinator should monitor and control the schedule and the cost. So the, the schedule and cost will come as close as the baseline as possible. And the invoice, finally, the contractor will extend the invoice so they can get paid. So let's see how to enter WBS. So we have here an example of a project plan. We have the list of the activities, the duration, and of course the resources. So to enter the WBS, just right click on the tax name and click in insert column and just go to WBS, here WBS, and that's it. It's very easy to insert the WBS. So after you have inserted the WBS, you can include that number on your purchase order and as well the contractor on their invoice, so it will be easier for you to reconcile the cost. And let's go now on how to enter a contractor. So I suggest you to put the contractor's name on there, the resource sheet, here in view resource sheet, and group here. I suggest you to put it here because it's very easy to sort by this resource group. So let's just put fictitious contractor's name so we can create our filters. Okay, almost done. Okay, so basically this is how you can enter the contractor's name in the project plan. Now let's go to how to sort by contractor's name. Okay, well, after we have entered the name of the contractor, as you can see, for example, for the data center technician, we don't have how much in total is getting paid. We have the standard rate, $20, but we don't have the total. So if you go to tables and you go to summary, now you have in total how much he or she is getting paid for all the activities in the project, but still we don't have how much we are paying to each of the contractor. Well, because we just, the step before, just go here in resource group, and as you can see, it's very easy to know how much we are paying to each contractor, right? Like for example, here Alpha Contractor, we are paying 4,160, Beta Contractor 16,560. So that's how you can know. So let's go to the next, how to enter purchase order. Okay. Well, for the purchase order, as you can see here, that field is not by default included in project. You see, it's not there. So we will create the field. Just go to project and project information. Sorry, project and then custom fields. And it will be a text field. So just click rename and put the name purchase order. And click OK. And again OK. Just leave the default. And now it should be there. Purchase order is there, right? So, for example, for this activity IT, we can see that it's being performed by the data center technician. And if we go to resource sheet, we can see that data center technician and technical support analyst are under Alpha Contractor. So we can just create a purchase order number, like for example Alpha 001 for the data center technician, and let's say Alpha 002 for the technical support analyst, and so on. And so to save some time, I have already another project. It's the same project, but it just have the purchase order. So I just put the number of the purchase order here. And let's just sort by the purchase order. So to do that, go to tables and go to cost. And then in group by, just create a new group. Because as we were saying, that field doesn't exist by default. So that's why we have to create a new group. And you select their purchase order and apply. Okay, so now you can see here you have these ones are milestones. So it has zero cost because milestone has zero duration, right? But you can see here for the purchase order Alpha 001, the total is 1,760, and for the Alpha 002, 2,400, and so on. So this is basically how you can sort by purchase order. And that will be all for me in this video. Thank you very much for watching the videos of my series. And I have other videos where you can see the schedule and cost variance. So you can also include in your reports. That will be all for me this time. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.